Explore new ways to tune into your music with Spotify Premium. Smart Shuffle adds recommendations into your playlist to show you new sounds. Or you can make music a shared experience when you host a jam, where you and your friends can add songs and listen in together. Tap the banner to learn more.
Got a song stuck in your head? Find it instantly. Need to hear that one track right now? Just search it on Spotify. From old school hits to Afro beats, find the song you're looking for even if you don't remember the title. Just type the lyrics and search for any song you want.
Alright guys, it's good to be back. Sorry guys, it took me a while to come on stream. Been doing a couple of things, so let me just send this out to the community, let them know that we're active right now. Let's get people in the stream immediately. Let's get people in the stream immediately. Let's do that, guys. Let's do that. Then we'll start the stream. Let's get people in the stream and we'll start the stream, guys. Let's get people in the stream. Let's get the stream going. Let's get the stream going, guys. Alright guys, let's get the stream on its way. Let's get the stream on its way, guys. Let's get the stream on its way. So let me take down the music back down a bit and increase my vocal so you guys can hear me properly. You guys can hear me properly. I believe that you guys can hear me now. You guys can hear me now. So let's go. 1 second, and I'm just setting up everything properly. My system has been hanging. I don't know what's wrong. I can buy a PC that is very expensive and you still having lagging problem. That's crazy. It's just new. Although this is the first time it's behaving like this, so I'm trying to share. Let's do this. Show meeting. No, nothing going on in the chat right now, guys. There's nothing going on in the chat right now. Nothing going on in the chat right now. If you're just tuning into the stream, just leave a comment. Let me know where you're tuning in from. Just leave a comment on the stream. Let me know you're active with me. Let me know where you're streaming from. Let's get the stream engaging, guys. Let's get the stream engaging. Hope you guys can hear me. Hope you guys can hear me. Hope you guys can hear me. And make sure you leave a like on the stream. Leave a like on the stream, guys. Leave a like on the stream. So I'm trying to set up. I'm sending my Zoom link to people that's supposed to be on the link. So sorry guys, just give me a minute. Then we start. that, guys. This problem, I can't even copy my invitation link. I can't even copy my link. That's something crazy. Zoom, what are you doing to me? All right, guys, let's just break down the stream. I'm trying to share the link to people. Uh, we'll get started now. Just let me just break down the stream. So this is gold, the daily time frame. You can see how let's start from the beginning. So this is gold. This is gold on the daily time frame, and I'm going to break it down to what I think gold is going to do and how it's going to move. So that's exactly what I'm about to do. So let's follow along. So the first thing I want gold to do is gold is already way overbought. You can see price is pushing upwards. That's going soon to a resistance, like has broken above the previous daily highs, and you can see this candle too has no bottom wick, which is also just know that gold is very volatile. Like there's a lot of volume going into the market at this point. So there's a lot of volume going into the market. So what do I see next? I need to drop down to my 4 hours time frame and just look for my structure, look for my levels. Do you understand? So buying off the all-time high is very risky in the sense that we don't know the direction of the market. We're not going to be buying in tens. That's the only thing we can do. We can also be buying price in tens. If we break above a certain level, like it's all-time high, you just buy in tens for price to just continue pushing up. Hope you guys can hear me. Just buy in tens for price to just keep pushing to a certain direction. That's like the best thing we can possibly do. Do you get me? So now this is the way the structure is. What do I need to do? Let me look for my support. So this is like the 4 hours support. This is like the 4 hour support. Hold on 1 second, guys. Hold on 1 second. Just 1 second. All right, guys. Sorry about that. So the first thing I want to do is I've identified my highs and my lows. So this is where I have my support level, and this is where my resistance is. But I know you guys cannot see the resistance here. This is just the level here. Or you can see that probably price is breaking out above this level, and this is probably like a continuation. That's what we can see here. But that is not what we. That's not what I'm seeing on the lower time frame because I've already analyzed this pair. But let's just work our way. So let's go over to the 1 hour time frame. So I've done the 4 hours, I've done the daily, and this is the 1 hour. So on the 1 hour time frame, you can see that 4 hours level that we drew, which is this line here, you can see that this candle actually came back down to retest it and it pushed up a bit. So that's what we see the 1 hour candle. Now but we can't look to place any trade here because price has done whatever it's wanted to do at this level. Do you get me? So if we want to get into this trade now, how are we going to do it? So I'm going to leave this level like this because this is actually a level where a price break below it might possibly continue pushing downwards. So this could be our sell opportunity. So let's drop down to the 30 minutes. Let's see what the 30 minutes is telling us. So in 30 minutes, I can adjust the level to this point, and looking like I have a resistance above this high. This is the daily high. So this is what we're looking at right now. So market structure from yesterday and today has not been the best, although we caught an opportunity yesterday, a buy, and some people made money, but mine was break even, but some people actually made money from it. So that's just it. So looking at the 15 minutes time frame, on the 15 minutes, you can see that this is what we're working with. Now, I don't want to. I know some people say, but there's also a resistance level, a support level below the structure. Yes, there's also a support level structure, and we can actually consider placing a trade and going for short, and it's about 100 pip range, which is good. Which I, for a second, looking at it now, I actually think I will consider that since market structure has not been the best. Market has not been the best, but I don't think the only reason why I will not consider this, even though I know that it has a high chance of playing out, because the bias is bullish, in a very strong bullish move, and I don't want to be selling off in a structure like this. Do you get me? So the only thing you can probably sell off, and if you're selling off, means I mean to be in and out. This is basically, we're in London section now. This is about 3 minutes into the London section. So you need to be like very, very, very fast with your entries. You're getting in and getting out. Please, if you're just in the stream right now, if you're joining us right now, please give the stream a like. We appreciate by giving us a like, and if possible, share the stream to people so they can see it. So I think that's about it. I think that's what I'm seeing right here. That's the only thing I'm considering right now, looking at this pair. So let's see. So I will put buys above here. So let me just put a visible written so you guys can see. So let's buys above. And for sell is a very tricky one, because obviously we cannot wait for over 150 pp. By the time prices are moving like this, I'm no longer interested in this trade because it's now oversold. So, but let's wait. Let's see how this candle close. This candle closure is going to tell us a lot. Let's just wait and see how it close. You get me? Candle close is going to tell us a lot. So that's basically about it. That's about it. So while we're waiting, I'm going to try my Zoom again, because I actually need to send link to people. I need to send Zoom link to some people. So let me try working on the Zoom again. Give me 1 second, guys. So you can see the candle is moving. Let's wait. It might actually depend on how this candle close. So if let's see if we can get the only way I might consider going for short, if I get a very positive, strong bearish candle, probably closing like this, then leave like a rejection here. Then the next candle, if we retest properly, get into the zone, showing that buyers are trying to push the price and sellers are saying no, we have a better run by selling, then I might consider going in and closing off in like 50 people or something, or 40 people, depending on what my surplus is, and you just look to manage it properly. This is something I'm looking at. So let's wait. It has actually broken below the structure. So if you push down more than 50% of this structure, I'm no longer interested in the trade. Like I have no interest in this trade at all. So let's just wait and see what happens. You can see it's already pushing down. It's actually just pushing down already. So so that's basically it. So let's just wait. Like I said, I don't think at this point now, I don't think I'm going to be interested in this trade already, because you can see it's pushing down. It's over 50% already. So we'll wait, guys. We wait. Everything about trading is waiting game. You have to wait a lot of time. Like you have to just wait. And the more you wait, the more you see, the more you just wait. Just wait, guys. Let's wait, guys. So if you have any questions, guys want to ask me, anything you want to ask me, I've not been looked this. I've not been very very why now. I've not been open DJ. Anybody in my comment section see trade GPJPY? And I know there's someone here that is trading, actively trading prop firm. How's that going? Have you placed your first trade? If you have any question concerning this, you can just DM me, send me a text, and I will respond to you, let you know how to go about it. Let you know how to go about it. Let you know how to go about it. So hopefully we get a trade. If we don't, that's still fine. That's still fine. That's still very much fine. You get. So this year I'm spending my time in doing a lot of things. A lot of things I'm putting my time in. not just trading, because trading is one source of income. Trading is like a major source of income, but also when you start making money from trading, you also need to carry your money and put in other business, put in other things that can actually bring money for you. You understand? So because we don't need all our eggs in one basket, guys. But trading is something that can generate a lot of money for you. But we still need to, I hope you guys get what I'm talking about. All right, guys, we're still waiting. We're still waiting on this trade. We have about 6 more minutes to the end of the candle. You can see a retracement. So let's see how this. Let's move this candle. This candle already moved 100 pips. That's crazy. That's the 100 pip candle we're seeing there. So let's see. Hopefully, it close below or back into the zone, regardless of wherever it close. And one thing I need to notice, I don't think I've taught you guys this thing. If the weak rejection here is bigger than the body, but it's still close below the structure, don't bother about the trade. The chances of you winning the trade is very slim. It's like 50-50 or less than that. So always make sure that the body is kind of bigger than the weak. Even though we're going for a weak rejection, just make sure that the body is kind of bigger than the weak. So that's it. That's something I need to also tell you guys about. So we're waiting, guys. Let's see. We have about 5 more minutes to the end of the candle. So let's see if you can get any opportunities in the market, and we'll place a trade. You understand? We'll place a trade. If you don't understand my strategy in the comment section, you can leave a comment. Just tell me you don't understand it, and I'll try my possible best to answer you. So 4 more minutes. I'll be 5 more minutes to the end of the candle. So let's wait. Let's wait, guys. Let's wait. Let's wait, guys. 4 more minutes, guys. Let's see how that plays out. I think I'll have to close the Zoom and open it again. I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to shut down the Zoom. Mm, 4 more minutes, guys. 4 more minutes. Stay active, guys. Stay active. We could get something cooking on soon. So if you guys can hear me, let me know if you can hear me. If you cannot hear me, let me know. Hope the mic is loud and clear. So let's see. Let's see. 4 more minutes and we could get something nice. All right then. All right then. So this the way this count is moving, I don't think I'll be bothered about placing a trade, because I first of all I cannot have a 70 pip stop loss for a 40 pip target. That's a very poor risk to reward. That's like the most craziest risk to reward I can see. But there's some people that trade negative risk to reward. I know a few of them, but I can't do this, and I can't just say, hey, this is a tire zone, let me just trade to this level. Is to no, this is where I'm looking to close position. So you can see it's against me. So if this candle can push up and close, like just push up a bit and close, then we can see consider placing a trade. But for now, the way it's moving, I don't think I would want to do that. So let's wait. Like I said, if you get a trade, it's fine. If you don't, it's still fine. We still just show up and look for opportunities, and we learn from not also placing a trade. Do you understand? Sometimes we can just sit in and look at the structure and see how it plays out, and next time we can know how we can place better trades next time it forms like that. So I like the way it's retracing. So from the retracement to the top of here, that's about 50 pip. Not bad. But let's see, let's see. You need more retracements. You want to close like yeah, yeah. So we have like less than 1 minute. So let's see, let's see. We're still waiting. Let's see. If you close down, I'm not interested, man. Let me inside the 1 hour close. Not bad. 30 minutes. 30 minutes had no bottom wick on this candle. 30 minutes had no bottom wick on that candle. So. Come on, guys. Come on, guys. We active, guys. We active. Few more seconds. Few more seconds, man. Just get your stuff ready. If in case this price wants to give us something interesting, we look to jump right in and make some money. So we got the closure. I like the way it closed. So it's simple. I just want price to retrace. I need that pullback, price pulling back to the upside. Then we can look for opportunities. If price doesn't pull back, then there's no point entering the trade or anything. You just need that pullback. So we need that pullback, guys. Just wait. If price just dip, then so be it. We need that pullback. Like legitimately need that pullback. We need price to pull back, guys. We need price to pull back so we can look to place the trade. We need price to actually pull back, guys. We need price to pull back, guys, so we can place a trade. So we need a proper pullback. Something like this, but I can't get it now. I have to see price pulling back. So because price can activate us and still decide that it wants to push up. Do you understand? I don't know if that makes sense. Price can activate us and still decide that it wants to push up. So let's them might just not get any trade today, but it's fine. Let me look at it on the 5 minutes. Let me see what it did on the 5 minutes. Is it bullish closure? Yeah, I thought as much. So because of this bullish closure itself, I even need price to actually push up properly. You get, I need price to push up properly. But if it doesn't push up, it's fine. It's fine. We just missed the move. That's all. It's fine, guys. If you miss the move, then it wasn't our move, guys. Just get that in the back of your head. If you miss the move, it wasn't our move. If we miss the move, this wasn't our move. You get me? So I'm not, and it's my move exactly. It's my actually move. You try my actually move, or stop loss. It's stop placing. That's the problem. Stop placing was the problem, man. Stop placing was the problem with this. The stop placing was the problem. Anyways, we still wait for the 30 minutes to close. Let's see how that goes. Let's wait for the 30 minutes to close. Please, no FOMO, guys. No FOMO. Don't get any FOMO and place a trade. Don't do that. No FOMO on this. Just wait. I'm not entering any trade. If I just coming into the stream now, just know that we have not placed any trade yet. We are waiting for a retracement, because looking at the 5 minutes, I can see that the overall bias is bullish. So price can just be doing a retest for it to push up and continue pushing, like just to flip and continue pushing upward. So we are waiting. How many pips did it move to the downside? Let's confirm how many pips it moved to the downside. So it moved around, yeah, it did 20 pip. It did 20 pip. So we're waiting, guys. It 20 pip. We're waiting, guys. So actually waiting. If it doesn't play out, it doesn't play out. So if it plays out, then fine. If it doesn't play out, it doesn't play out. Oh. Wait. Wait. Another thing that can happen is price doing this. Let me show you guys something. If price decides to push, but I don't think I'll be active, but I will send the trade out. I'll actually send the trade out to the community if I see it. So price can actually do something like this, push down, you get, then come back up. I guess if you want to sell, come back up, break above this level, then close like bearish like this. Then you can look for retracements. Then you can sell the price to the downside. So this is something else that price can do. Not for you to look for opportunities. You get, this is something the price can do. It's something the price can do. But it's alright. Regardless of the outcome or whatever price does, it's alright. Please, like I said, the trade is good. It's a good one, but I didn't get my stop loss placements. I was just looking for my stop loss placement so we can be in the trade, but we didn't get that, so it's fine. It's fine. It's about to break the 15-minute low. So if you break this low, you can expect a drive and price to continue pushing to the downside. So that's alright. That's alright. That's alright. Any question you can ask me. See, it's broken really low and came back down. Damn, that was crazily fast. So it pushed like around how many pips? 32 pips, and it came back. I wish the price could just push up beats for like 40. Let's get close to this point. I'm still bearish. I would have been so in this trade, like without even thinking, without even blinking. You guys, I was so close. So, but this is not my setup. This is not what I trade. This is not what I teach people. So I can't go against what I tell people to do, or in the sake of I'm trying to make money. I have to show some level of discipline, so you guys can also learn from that. That's just the only thing I can do. So because I see a trade pushing my way, doesn't mean I need to get into the trade. If the trade doesn't meet all my criteria, it doesn't meet what I necessarily use to enter it. If I don't have my edge in this trade, then there's no point of me trying to place a trade. Do you get me? So I have to be on point. I have to be in the right senses in order for me to place a trade. So that's it. That's just it. So we're just waiting. We're waiting, guys. We're waiting. I have good falling right now, but we're waiting. Consider price has been dancing. She just come down, come up, down, come down, come up, come down. Please don't, you guys not think I'm on any trade though. There's no trade here. This stuff is just there because I was looking for a possible setup and I didn't get a possible setup. So that's why it's just there. You guys, it's not that the price is deciding to move up or there's no setup, guys. Just want you guys to know. You guys, I just want you guys to know there's no setup. There's no setup yet. So just waiting. Joy, what's up? Can you hear me? So basically that's it. But now that we are looking at the chart and we're not getting what we want, do you understand? Price has already, first of all, price has already, all the price has already dipped to the downside. You get it moved around. Now, now I need you guys to listen to this properly. Listen to what I'm about to say. Price has already moved down. It has given you, you guys know that we scalp, so we're always like in and out of the trade. Now that price has already moved down, even broken below the previous 15 minutes candle, and it also came back up. Like if it's coming back up, good morning, gold, Joy, good morning, Joy. What's up? If it's coming back up now to retest this level and it flips back down, I don't need you guys to be in this trade anymore because it's void. There's no setup here. You shouldn't be bothered about it because it has already done its thing. So I don't expect you to be looking for any opportunity after price has already made this move already. Do you understand? So that's like what I want you guys to have in the back of your head. So mind you, there are days like that, price might actually continue pushing it downward. But I don't want trouble. I don't want go to humble me. You get me? And again, that's not why I teach you guys. So follow the plan. Follow the plan. So Joy, what's up? How you doing now? Eh?
Sorry for joining. Can you do a recap on the plan, on your plan?
A
Yeah.
recap. Okay. All right. So we're not in any trade. Basically, this is not a trade. I mean, I'm not in the trade at all. But it was a possible setup I was looking at, and I needed price to do a pullback. Let me show you what I was looking for. So before this move, the candle was like this. We had like a big bearish candle closing like this. This height was. You get me? It
Okay.
was like this. So this was a structure that price broke, and this entire move like this is over 100 pips. So I'm looking to cash part of this 100 pips. I'm not looking to cash everything, but part of it is okay. If I can get like 50% of the move, or even price just filling up this week, I'm okay with it. But in order for me to enter this trade in the next candle, I needed price to come back up because we use like candlestick retest for stop loss. So I need price to like come back up. That same candle, the next 15 minutes candle to push up, create a structure, shows that buyers are trying to push the price upward, but there are a lot of selling pressure coming to the market. And the moment price flip bearish, that's where I'm looking. That's how, when I was considering to enter for sales for me to go for short. Then I'll place my entries like at the flip of the candle, and I put my stop loss above this candle or probably at the body of the previous candle. Do you understand? This is like a high confirmation that if the candle flip and it wants to push down, it has no business coming back up again. It just has to push down. So this pushing my stop loss here is like me having a safe space that this candle has no business flipping back up after it has flipped bearish. So this is what I was waiting for price to do, but instead, the moment price closed, it just started pushing down. And on the 5 minutes time frame, I saw a bullish. There was a bullish candle that was there. We had a bullish candle. Let me show you. they had the bullish candle on the 5 minutes. It's not that price it's even not that price even went up to retest and started pushing down. So on the 5 minutes, we had a bullish candle on the 5 minutes time frame. Let me show you real quick. So we had this bullish candle on the 5 minutes and no bottom wick. So there's possibility of this candle flipping bullish and continue pushing upward because the overall trend is bullish. Mind you, gold
Yeah.
is in a bullish run. So we're basically trading against the trend. So any small mistake, any small light of I'm trying to be careful trading the sales. You understand? So any little slight movement on gold, I'm being observant about it because I don't want to be caught unaware. So these 5 minutes could just be a rejection candle for price to continue pushing upward. So I needed that I just needed price to actually come back up for showing me that okay, buyers want to push the price up, but sellers are more. But I didn't get that. I didn't get what I was looking for. So that's why I didn't bother entering the trade. I didn't call out the trade. I just put my stuff here because this was what I was anticipating. This is what I wanted price to do. But I didn't get that. So now price has already moved like close to where I would likely put my TP because it's almost close to this support level. I don't this is like a support level. If I measure it, you can see it's from this point to this point is about 80 pips. This is 80 pips on gold. So and my stop loss should have been like 40. That'd been like 40, 39, 40. So that would have been my stop loss. So that was price moving 2 to 1. Very okay for me. So that was the idea I was looking to place gold, but we didn't get that. It moved, but we didn't get exactly what I was looking for. You understand? Because I could have entered trade and price would have pushed down and next candle could just push up. You understand?
Yeah,
So it's
absolutely.
always about following your rules, following what you want price to do. So I didn't get that. I just sit down, wait. If you get to it's 9:30, 9:45, I didn't get anything. And that's it for me. I'll come back tomorrow. That's how that's how you stay disciplined. Yeah, I have an idea. I trade London section.
Don't
I trade just London section, so that's just it.
right. So don't you think on that 5 minutes, if price actually goes the way you want it, like
Mm.
get to foot TP, what if it retest? Because I still believe gold is still going to sell.
Yeah, I
Cap-
exactly. You're just coming in late. So I actually dropped another possible thing that price will likely do since it has pushed down. So if I get like from this point now, I start getting like a bullish momentum for price pushing up, or like I get like a bullish candle price creating highs, pushing up, possibly even breaking back into the zone. Then I get like a bearish candle, probably a weak rejection, bearish candle closing back into the zone. Then I can start looking for sales around this area. The price will retest and continue to push into the downside. But for now, this is like I was looking for a volume trade. This is London session, so I expected like large amount of volume to pump into the market during London section. Do you understand? It's always high level of volume during beginning of the section. So I expected like high volume. So for it to be easy for me to just look for that simple retest and just sell the price, I can easily get 80 to 100 people if there's high volume on the market. Do you understand? So me waiting for this particular setup now, it will most likely not be London section anymore. It might be London section, but like later in the day, price will create a structure. I might be out of the market already. I'm looking for what I can get now that I'm live, now that I'm streaming. What can I easily just get out of the market and I'll be done from the day. Do you understand? So this can be like
Yeah.
easy. This would have been like easy 2% on a normal day. Like me risking 1% and I made like easy 2% in and out. Do you get? So
Okay.
that's the idea. That was basically the idea of the trade. That was the same thing we caught yesterday. Let me show you yesterday trade. We actually caught 1 2 yesterday. I got stopped at the break even, but someone on the chat told me that he actually um left the street to run and he made money from it. So let me show you. Uh, there was a buy yesterday. I believe some people in the chat, some people on the YouTube got the buys too. Let me show you trade. So you guys have any question on the chat on YouTube, please ask me. We're also waiting. So sorry, hold on. 30 minutes has closed. We have 30 minutes closure now, and the 30 minutes might be looking good for sales too. I'll be looking good for sales. Let me see. 30 minutes looking good for sales, but I'm not gonna lie. But the problem is that price is at the middle. It's basically at the middle of the range. Do you get? Like we're at the middle like this. This is just the middle of the range. It's better we cut it like from here or here, not at the middle. Like if you guys are, if it's your plan to trade this when it flips, you can do that too. But price is like it's at the middle of the range. There are some risky trades that you don't just want to be in part of. Just allow it play out. Do you understand? It might not. It must not be on every trade. It must not be on every
Yeah.
trade. Just wait for the best one and place it. You get. Just wait for the best one and place it. So let me show you yesterday trades that were placed. I call it out here. Yesterday was 13th, right? So it was a buy on gold. It was around it was in London section, if I'm not mistaken. What is this? 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 I'm looking for the trade though. Okay, I entered two different trades yesterday. Two was buy. One was on stream. One was before the stream, and one was on stream. So price was this was my range. This was where I was. Market structure yesterday was messy. It was not the best. So this was my range. This is where price was, and I was looking for opportunities where I can trade off that range. So that was the idea of the whole trade. So what happened is that when I jumped on stream, before the stream, I noticed that they have this very massive pattern I always wait for price to do. Do you understand? So first of all, price was has gotten to this level of resistance, broke below, and had a strong bullish candle closing back into the zone. So that was good. So I got the second candle, second confirmation. Price was pushing upward too. And the moment price pushed up, it closed above this level. This bullish candle here closed above this level. So the next 15 minutes candle pushed down, broke the previous low, and closed weak, very weak bearish candle. You can see it's very weak bearish candle. So this was like another indication that okay, I've gotten this big rejection. And looking at my left, we have a very clean, not too clean. The range is not clean because there's a lot of spike, but it had like a momentum, like a clean bearish candle that price can drive above. Because if you look at the left, so you can see that price always drive around this area. So that's what I was considering. So the moment this candle breaks above the previous high, I went for buys. I price moved up, and I'm just kind of person like I scalp. For me to scalp means that I always risk higher. Do you understand? Like my risks, someone that swing, I risk like higher than the person, because if I scalp and I decide to swing my scalp trade, means that if you move the same direction that someone that swings moves, I'm going to make a shitload of money from it. Like I risk like a lot when I scalp. Do you understand? Because I need to be in and out. I can't be risking just normal regular percentage on my account because I scalp. You understand? I tend to make like that's 1 to 2% on that small move because my stop loss rule is always usually tight. So that's always like the idea of the trade. So I quickly placed my trade. The moment it moved to like I got like 20 pip, I just moved my stop loss to break even, but it came back down and stopped me out. So the next one was this exact one. We waited for price to push down, created a support here. I would have gotten from here, but I said no. Let me see, wait and see if price should break above this level. I already told you before that I'm a breakout trader. So I trade most of my trades usually break out. So I waited for price to break above this zone. It closed above, gave me a weak rejection. So the moment this candle came down, it actually came down first to retest. Price did something like this. It's pushed down first, showing me that sellers are trying to push the price downwards. And the moment it flipped bullish, it was when I got in to the price and price moved up. You can see it. If I measure it, it's moved about um 80 pip. Yeah, 80 pip. And what's my stop loss? My stop loss was just around 40 pip. So this is like I thought like around 40 pip. So you can see this is basically like what 2 to 1, even close to 100 pip. So this is like how easily you can just be in the chat and you have made your targets for the day and you just close your system and go about your day, do other things, do other productive things that can bring money to you. So that's basically the concept of breakout. You get that's basically the concept of breakout.
Okay, that was real
What do you
I
say?
think that was stopped out. I said that was real quick for you yesterday, like the profit.
I didn't hear you.
I said that was real quick for you yesterday, the in and out move.
Yeah, in and out. Just in, take your profit and step out. Like
I think
in.
the market is testing where you want to test. Check it out. This is your last.
It's testing, but I can't get into the trade now. Do you get me? Like I said, overall we're still in a very strong bullish level, and market structure, yeah, market structure like this in this point, like this, like this is rubbish. Like this is a very rubbish market structure. You get. So usually testing, but I won't enter all the retest. I'm not like you that used to do sniper in, do like sniper in. I don't do sniper in, so I have to like wait for, now that it's retesting, it can close. Then I need to see that other candle, bearish candle closure. But I'm still looking for buys above here. So, but I just have about 10 minutes to this stream. If in the next 10 minutes, if I don't get anything, I'm out. So in 30 minutes, 30 minutes is doing a proper retest, or in 30 minutes time frame, it's doing a proper retest. So let's see what nothing that can happen now that can make me enter this trade. I just showed you something on the previous day trade. So if this candle can close um weak bear, like this, weak bullish, sorry, weak bullish candle, like this, like this, trust me, I might be in on this trade. But the problem I still have with this trade is that this is the middle of the range, so I don't want to trade the price at the middle of the range. So I have to just wait for price to um give me something above here. Maybe if you close bullish here, the next candle should like wick out, give me a bearish candle, then we can look to sell. You get, we can look to sell. So this is something I want to see price do. Like this is what I'm interested in. So if I don't get this, I don't think I have I don't have interest like that in the trade. So I have to just wait it out, wait it out. That's the best thing we can do. Just wait it out. But it is what it is. If we don't get any trade, we just move ahead. Like it's all love. It's all love here. Like it's basically all love here. It's basically all love. So how long have you been trading? A year now, right?
Yeah, yeah. Not been long.
So how's the journey been for you?
Mm, it's been a lot. I'm not gonna lie, but it's the drill now.
Trust me, the best thing you can do as a trader for yourself is to have a community. You having a community is going to help you go faster.
I'm not in any community right now.
Just have a community. It's going to make you grow. Like especially if you grow for people that trade similar way you trade. It goes to help you grow a lot faster. That's like the best thing to do. Anyways, this trade is pushing up. Like I said before, we are in a bullish trend, so I'm not surprised of what happened. And if assuming we got into this trade for sales, trust me, price would have gotten us at break BE like 4 or 5 times. BE. But it moved about 50 people. But assuming you have left your stop loss the way it is, allies move, then and then probably would have gotten to one. If you want to close partials, you can close partials or anything. But it is what it is. We just have to wait now. We have about 3 minutes to the end of this 15 minutes candle. So when you close, we can just see how it close. Let's just see how it close. Let's see how it close. Yeah, there was something you were asking me the other day that you didn't really understand. That you need my help with. What was that again? I
Bye. So
eh?
I'm here. I'm here. So I was asking you how you do the manual calculations because I told you I use FX Verify to do my calculations before for my lot size before I enter the market. So I was asking you
Manual
if you could
calculation.
show me the manual calculation.
Is it like calculating your peep, or
Yeah,
these
my
days
lot size.
the lot size, these days there's no need of you understanding the idea of peep calculation or your lot size. Do you understand? The first thing I believe like you want to know like how much are you supposed to risk on a particular trade. Now let me use TradingView to try and explain this. So for people in my um YouTube. This is another class for you in case you guys don't know how to calculate pips. So in first of all, in trading view, you have like these measurement tools, and people are confused on how to use it on gold, because gold on its own is very different. Do you understand? And first of all, gold, it moves in dollar. It moves in $1, $2. It moves. That's how it moves. I think a $10 move. I think a $10 move is like 100 pips. If price gold move like $10, that's like 100 pip move. You just say okay, gold just move 100 pips. So that's how we kind of calculate gold. Please, we're not in any trade though. So you guys are enjoying my stream now and see trade moving against me. We are not on any trade. Let me take this out first. First off, so you guys don't think we're not on any trade. No trade has been called out today. Like no zero trade has been called out today. Hold on. I need to set up something. Give me 1 second. Sometimes remove. Yeah, I was saying. Yeah, I was saying that gold moves in dollar, so you should calculate dollar. So if it moves like, let me see this. This is $26. This is gold current price. I'm looking at from where my support is. This support. This is where I draw this line. So this is 4626. You get, so let's say we're working with that 26. So let's measure from 26 count to like 36. If you measure it like this, 26 to 36, where's 36? Bring it down, 36. Now you can look above here. What are you seeing here? I'm seeing 1009. Now, what you need to understand that is the last two, the last number before the point and the one number after the point is void. So always take those two number away from the equation. They are not part of it at all. I just take it away, just take it out. So is this first three number you calculate, this 1 2 3, the first three 1 2 3. So this is what we have like 100 people on this particular trade. So this is like 100 people move. You get same thing for 10 pip. If you want to move 10 pip, you can see it's just like this 18 pip, this is 15 pip, like this is 10. You can see it's 100. That's one of the last one. Okay, hold on. This gold trade now that I'm seeing now like this, more. You guys see what I'm saying? So I think you might get an opportunity to go long on gold, like right at where it is right now. We have about 50 pip range. Okay, where can we put our stop loss? Let this price come down a bit more. Okay, it's pushing. Don't worry. Let's be. Let's wait. Let's wait for 10 o'clock. Let's wait for 10 o'clock. And besides, they're not broken above the 30 minutes high. So, and the 1 hour two is flipping bullish right now. Damn, this is a good trade. We have actually entered this trade though. Hey, we would have entered this trade, but it just picked up like the first 1 minute. And I don't like entering trade based on the first minutes of the candle. But it's alright. It's alright. Regardless of what it does, it's alright. Let's wait till 10 o'clock. I'm here with guys at 10. I think this is the first time I'll stay that long. So let's wait till 10. Hopefully we get something. It's already 20 pip, guys. It's already 20 pip. This trade would have been good. Oh, still going to move. Still going to move. Yeah. So it's going to move. So this trade, you can see this is a support level that we're looking to sell off from. Price broke above it and closed. And like I said, the overall trend is bullish. It's bullish. It's bullish. We're just trying to sell off. We're looking for a quick sell, which we didn't get any opportunity. But this is what we see, and we just enter. So this would have been a nice trade. Price would have come down, have like a 30 pip stop loss, and this will be like 1 to 1 now. Price getting above here, 50 pip. Like this would have been a good trade, guys. Sorry, my bad. But I know some of my traders are here now. Some of you guys on the YouTube chat, you guys be able to catch this trade now. This is like an easy textbook setup. Like a textbook setup. So back to what I was saying. So this is like, let me use this particular one to measure it. You can see 438.1. So this is like 43 0.8 pips. Do you get this? Is how you calculate it to be this your pip measurement. Man, this was a good trade. This was a good trade. This was a good trade. I will not mind placing trade above here because the overall bias is bullish. When we have about 12 more minutes, this trade can just break up and continue pushing. Man, I would have been in and out now. This would have been. This is a good trade. This would be yeah. Anyways, it's alright. Back to you, Joy. So are you seeing how I'm calculating my pips? Are you with me?
Yeah, I'm seeing it.
So you can see this is 48 pips. Now let's assume that what I want to reach probably my capital. Let me bring out my calculator. Let me bring out my calculator. So let's assume my capital is I have like a $5,000 capital, and I want to reach like um I know this one might be take a lot of time, and probably your PIP calculator this thing is faster, but this is just like a more I studied computer science in school, so they taught me a lot of maths, so don't mind me. So this is like the best way I know how to calculate my stuff. So I want to use like probably risk like let's say I want to risk like 3% or 2%. So what we do, we just divide it by 100 and times it by 3. Yeah. So this is like 150. I've gotten 150 from this. Now, how do we get our loss size to use? So let's say our stop loss now is around 30 pips. So it's simple. I'll just divide it by 30. So I'll just divide it by 30. Divided by 30. So once it's 30, I know that I'm using this is 5. Means my um um risk to reward is $5. So how do you get $5? So a lot size, one lot is equals to $10. You get if I boost 1.0 lots is $10, which means that 0.5 is half of $10, which is $5. So instead of me to use because this is basically that it is like a lot is $10. So 0. My loss I'm going to be using on this trade is going to be 0.5. So I'm going to put 0.5, put my stop loss the way it is, and go. So 10 lots is $100. $100 per 10 lots. You understand? So if you have using 100 lots, means that you're using 1,000 per pip. So on gold though, on other pairs is different. Other pairs don't move like USD pairs, don't move the way gold moves. This gold you can say 1 pip is $1. I be 10 pip is you can measure it properly. But on other currency pair, their measurements is a lot different. Not the same way as we trade this. Do you understand? Like there's a lot different. Like it's different from this. But for gold, you can know that your 10 pip is your 10 pip, your 100 pip is your 100 pip. Like your pip counts is exactly the way it is supposed to be. You get me? Like exactly the same way it's supposed to be. So that's how you measure it. So let's do an example. Let's say your stop loss is like as in like you most time use like 100 pip stop loss. That's what I've noticed, right? It's like 100 pip stop. That's is almost I give you handle. Like 100 pip stop. That's crazy. But do you know how to measure your pip? I'm going to show you another way to do it when you put your pip your TP and stop loss wherever. So let's say I'll use that this time. So let's say your mixing 30% of your account, which is 150, and your stop loss is what 100 pip. So divided by 100, let's say 110. So this is 1.3. Mixing 1.3. So you're supposed to use 0.13. You get me? 0.13, because 0.0, when you have two zero, your money counts in cents. So that's the point three for there. So you're going to use 0.1. You understand? It's only when this place enter 10 now that I meant to know you're using one lot. Do you understand? So this video is going to be saved on YouTube. So in case you want to like rewatch it, you can actually go to my YouTube page and just rewatch it. Or maybe I can even create a small clip. I don't know, but that's how you calculate it. You get me? That's how you calculate it. 0.3. So let's say where's that? So this is your entry, and you have like, you know how to use this one, right? So you can see
Yeah.
this is the same thing. You can see this is, I don't know how your own is, but you can see it's here. Mine is, you can see 782, 782. So that's like 78 point 2. This is not 700 people. Some people will get it wrong. People will just see this and say, good, that's moved 700 people. No, this is not 700 people. This is just 78 people. So that's just basically what it is. That's basically what it is. So I don't know if I explained well. But there's another way, there's another way again to calculate it. This one you have to use, after using biro and paper and start telling you do this one, move this one like this. But that one is no. That was what I was doing like 5 years ago. It's not now anymore. You get.
Thank you. I understood this one. Thank you
Yeah,
very
so
much.
this is like very, like the most easiest way to just understand it. So you can see price is rejecting. We have just 5 minutes. If I don't get the closure above that resistance in the next 5 minutes, we're calling the stream. We tried. I hope you guys actually learned something from this. I know we didn't get in trade. Most people are anxious to place a trade. It's not every time you place a trade. Don't worry, trade will come. This is just January. We still have February, March. We still have to December. We still have about 11 months. So don't worry, a lot of people is going to get funded this year. A lot of people are going to make good amount of money this year. You understand? If you never touched million before from trading, don't worry. This year you will touch them. You get me? So just give yourself. Just don't put pressure on yourself. Don't put pressure on yourself at all. Take your time. Take your time. It's discipline. Less is more in trading. You get. Now when we start to like this, when we're basically starting out to trade, that would be like, we will have to be in charge. That's a bullshit, man. All those things fuck up your mentality. Although starting off, you can take your time to learn how it works, but when you actually start trading, less is more, man. Focus on one section. Focus on You can focus on one setup, safe one particular setup that can work for you. You get. That's it. Backtest it. If you have money, if you have proper money, there are tools you can buy, you can use and backtest. There's one I use is FOREX. I think the link is in my bio on YouTube. But I think that link is, I think that is saying that site or something. I don't know. I think the link is in my bio, but anyways, just check my bio, you see the link there. So that's basically it, guys. Just learn how to trade properly. Learn how to trade properly. Patience is the most important thing in trading. Patience and staying disciplined, man. Stay disciplined. Stay disciplined. I know how many accounts I've blown over the years. If you calculate all the money I've used on blown accounts, see, you can build one small bungalow and stay in. You get me? So, anyways, that'll be all. Let's wait. We have just 3 more minutes, and I doubt let's volume just kicking immediately into the chat. But I doubt that we will get that closure we need, and we are miss the move for the day. This was the move for the day. Was the buy. I was talking and I got carried away, and also I don't feel like we missed the move because he moved in the first 1 minute, and I don't usually like entering trade in the first 1 minutes. But that shows that there was volume and it moved, and it was a decent trade. It would have been a trade we have actually made money and we have been happy about it. So, but it is what it is. You can see this trade literally moved. Let's check how many minutes it used to move. This is what I mean by we are just in and out. Like if you are trading those broken, there are some pro firm that will tell you that if you enter a trade, if your trade does not last more than 2 minutes, like this trade literally took like less than 2 minutes to get to 40 pip. Like this is 1 minute counting. It's like 2 minutes for the 40 pip. Like in you have stop loss of like 30 pip. And you go actually go to this stop 1 to 1. Obviously we are going to put some position when it gets to 50 pip actually. So the broker will tell you that this your profit does not count. I'm trying to remember the name of the profit. I can't actually remember the name of the profit, but there's a profit like that that does that. But anyways, I doubt that this trade is going to close above. Just wait. Market structure from yesterday and today is not the best. So you can decide to call it a week. Do you understand? Call it a week. So I made some profit yesterday. I made some profit yesterday. Even though I took a loss, I still made a profit yesterday and day before yesterday. So we probably could probably good. My I had a target for the week and I'm just like very small to it. So I'm not necessarily need to miss my today just Wednesday. We still have tomorrow though. I might not necessarily need to miss that my targets before I say I'm okay. At least I'm close to the target, so that's fine. That's fine for me. So see it's already rejecting. So we have 1 more minute to the candle and we have been live for 1 hour 30 minutes, which is also not bad. So the stream is going to end here. I hope you guys learned something from this stream and we're going to be back on it tomorrow, same time. So save your account, don't overtrade. You get me? Like I said, the gold market structure is not the best right now. Last week was awesome. Market structure from last week was awesome. I was thinking that the market is going to be like that this week, but market is always saying that you can't have control over it. It has its own say. So that's just that's just the word of wisdom I have for today. So see you guys same time tomorrow. We stream by 8:30 and usually finish our stream by 9:30, but we just extended it because we're looking for some nice opportunities which we didn't really get. So see you guys. Stay blessed and don't blow your account.
Thank you. Thank you.